In the midst of the negotiations, Washington Mutual was bought out by JP Chase. It is the largest bank in the history of the United States to fail. But federal regulators say WaMu customers really won't even notice a change. KG's Valerie Hurst joins us live from a local branch, a local WaMu branch. Valerie, how are customers, I'm sure they've been going past you all morning long, how are they reacting to news? What are they doing?
Well, Natalie, we've heard all sorts of comments since early this morning. In fact, one woman had rushed over to us here in the parking lot, wondering why we were here. She was worried that this branch here behind us had been shut down and she couldn't get her money out of the ATM. Of course, that is not the case. All branches are still open, as you can see by the activity here behind me. But a lot of customers still seem nervous. Southeast Portland Washington Mutual customers waited outside the bank before it opened Friday morning. One customer was too upset about the sale of the bank to talk on camera, but news of the bank's buyout to JP Chase hadn't reached everyone yet.
Wow.
Did you see this coming?
Well, you know, the economy has been doing a crazy thing lately, so what's next?
Roosevelt Brown was happy to hear JP Chase took over all deposits. Brown just closed on a refinance.
I got a nice amount of money coming in here, so as long as I know it's protected, I'm fine.
But not everyone was fine with the announcement.
I have a small business account, and after hearing the news, I did decide to take out my maximum for the day. I don't know why, but I did.
We were hoping there was someone there that we could speak with this morning about how operations are going today, given the buyout.
You know, everything is business as usual.
We talked with a WaMu Seattle rep by phone. She says there's no reason to pull your money. Banks are open and operations are the same. But for bondholders and equity holders, it's a different story.
If you own stock in Washington Mutual, you're virtually wiped out. It stopped trading this morning. And for bondholders, there's $1.9 billion to spread out amongst all the billions of bonds.
The good news for taxpayers, with this deal, the FDIC will not have to pay out of its insurance funds to cover any WaMu customers. Back here live now, JP plans to close less than 10% of the two banks' branches. Of course, that is welcome news for thousands of employees, including those who work right here in Southeast Portland. No word at this time on when those bank branches may be closing. Now, for customers, WaMu says that there are plenty of staff right here at these local banks here to answer any of your concerns and questions. Live in Southeast Portland, Valerie Hurst, K2.